Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your document and activating the navigation pane. This gives you visual thumbnails and headings to jump from. Once done, use page up and page down for immediate screen-sized moves and hold the key for repeated travel. For precise jumps, press Ctrl+G, enter the page number you want, and press Enter. This goes straight to the target page. Make sure to keep your cursor visible so Word centers the view where you expect. Now refine your movements. Click Page Thumbnails in the navigation pane to leap to a specific layout view. Thumbnails are faster than blind scrolling. If the document is long, drag the vertical scroll thumb. It gives an overview and lets you skim swiftly, then release where you want to stop. For targeted access, press Ctrl+G and choose Page, Section, or Line. Type the number and jump instantly. These methods combine visual cues with precise input, so you work faster and avoid hunting. To finish, mark important spots with bookmarks or structured headings so you can return instantly. Bookmarks are especially useful for frequently referenced pages. Once done, switch to Read Mode or Outline View when you need a cleaner navigation experience in very long documents, because those views emphasize structure. If you run into problems, for example, the navigation pane disappears, enable it again from View Right Arrow Navigation pane. And if that fails, restart Word. These steps fix most visibility or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.